So, hello and welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you're a returning subscriber, very warm welcome. And today is just going to be a quick Poundland haul. I've not done a Poundland haul for what seems like absolutely ages. I'm sure it's not, but I have to say I've been in a few times recently and just not been feeling it. Or maybe it's because I've been so many times previously and bought stuff that I didn't need anything else. Anyway, excuse me, sounding a little bit croaky. I'm fine actually. Lubricate the voice, the show will go on. So yeah, popped in quickly, just grabbed a few bits, not a massive haul, so we'll get on with it as quickly as we can. What we got today, we've got a few items that I've wanted to get for quite a long time. Not been in my local store, but popped back to my hometown of Leicester at the weekend. Pleasantly surprised that I finally found what I was looking for, but I'll keep the suspense going on a little longer. So the first items I'm covering, unfortunately, I've already been in. Tanfastics, the Haribo, and the Minstrels have already been opened on the way back. I've not had these before. In fact, I've never even seen these before. Not necessarily in Poundland or anywhere. Werther's Originals. I am quite a fan of the originals, but minty flavour. Yes, I was delighted to see these. Even more so that you get 25% extra free. For £1, that's not bad, is it? I'm really looking forward to getting one of those as sample because I do like a Werther's, I do like mint. Combine the two and I've got these. More sweets. I shall come on to why I've been buying all these sweets in a minute. I think these must be Poundland's own brand or whoever they're stocking. Butter Mintos. This is a big old pack for £1. You get 270 grams in this. Whereas you only get 137 in that. So the value for money on that one, VFM. And the reason I've bought those sweets in wrappers is because I finally got my hands on some of these rascals. Now, I've seen these. I know they're not new. They've been in for a few weeks. But they didn't have any in my store. I've been in, I'm not kidding, 3 times. None. Negative, zilch. Went back to Leicester for the weekend, and there they are. So, these are just they're in for Valentine's Day. Feeling as if my voice is going a bit on this. So, our spare bedroom that, whenever we have people to stay, is in red and white, and it's got heart themes. There's hearts all over the place. Red and white decor. So I've only seen this style on other people's videos. But what did I spot on the shelf? A little fat dumpy one as well. I've not seen this on anybody else's hauls yet, only this shape. So I grabbed myself 3, but as I've just been unpacking, a little bit distressed. Look, I've chipped the flipping top. Look at that. Ruined. I'm thinking a little bit of red nail varnish might do the trick on that. In fact, I might have a go on this right now and see if I can get sorting that issue out. Not ideal, but I don't think you can really see that now, can you? Just found a bit of nail varnish. Popped it on the top. So there they go. There they are. Minty mints in there. Minty sweets ready in situ for when we next have visitors. Aren't you lucky? Mentioned before about I'm getting together a bit of a crafting box ready for when my nephew gets a bit older. He's only a little baby at the moment. But I just thought I might as well start getting stuff ready or picking things up as we go along. You know, share the cost, share the whatever when you're seeing stuff. Anyway, well, whilst I'm seeing stuff, I'm going to pick it up. Grab some more of these. foamy smiles. So you get in here 80 little faces of whatever description there might be for £1, and they are Crayola, so it's a decent brand as well, and they're just sticky faces. And then 2 more packs of these stickers, 2 for £1. I've got vehicles and letters. Picked up both of these are still intact, thankfully. Both had extra free Maltesers buttons, galaxy counters, beans. Not exactly anything interesting, are they? But in the supermarkets, these are about £1.79 for 3 little tins of baked beans. So yeah, when I see these in Poundland for £1, I always grab some because they're pretty decent value. Well, 79p better value actually. These are lovely just as an individual size for me. I'll have a tin of those on a jacket potato, bit of grated cheese on the top, bit of salad, lovely lunch or dinner, or even, not breakfast, you wouldn't have jacket potato for breakfast, but a can of those maybe on a bit of toast for brekkie. Dishmatic refills next. Do you know, I'm not actually sure if this is very good value. 2 of these for £1. I'm sure I've seen these in Home Bargains or Pound Stretcher for about 70p. Anyway, I don't very often see them in our local Poundland, or the white ones. I didn't realise, but there's white and green. The white aren't quite as, not crunchy. What's the word I'm looking for? The texture's different. These are a lot softer. So I prefer these because I like to use the old Dishmatic on our glasses. We have got a dishwasher, but the wine glasses I use, you can't stick really in the dishwasher, so I have to do them by hand. Shock horror. So yeah, prefer the white ones. I think they look a little bit more appealing on the eye, actually. The old synthetics or whatever it is. Aesthetics of the kitchen. Prefer a white one over a green. A few beauty items next. Bit of nail varnish. So the nails I've got on tonight, these are the Jess Wright Poundland nails. And they are normally, they're like a very, I don't know what you call it, mocha brownie colour. So I usually wear them for a few days as is, the brownie colour. And then when I get a bit bored, I stick a bit of nail varnish over the top. So in this case, I usually use over this colour like a gold glitter. So, hey presto, in Poundland, we have this lovely big bottle for £1. Actually, this is better value than the one I got from Primark because that was 60p and it was a tiny little thing. So yeah, I've not used this one before from Poundland, so I'm keen to give that a go. So talking of nails, I've picked up a couple of packets that I'm not sure about. So as I've just said earlier, I often wear nails for a few days and then put some sort of nail varnish over the top. Usually some form of glitter, whether that be gold, iridescent or silver. So I've grabbed these. So I'm not sure whether I like them now. On reflection, I may take them back. So this first set are the Jess Wright Beauty Square Gloss, which is the same as what I've got on, but these are in like a pinky colour called Cutie Pie, which the problem with these nails when you first look at them, they look massive in the box, but once you get them out, because you get 24, you get 24 in a pack. So obviously I only got 10 nails, so you can have a mess around with them to make, fit the ones that suit your nails best. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe they're quite a candy flossy colour. I might give them a go rather than return them for £1. Then also bought these, which are a very similar colour. So the Poundland brand is Makeup, so that's Makeup Gallery, their makeup accessories. So it's like they're the Poundland's own brand as opposed to the Jess Wright. And very similar colour. In fact, they've not got a colour on them. They're just called Almond, which I think, is the actual shape. So I think it's the shape that's on there in the middle, but then you obviously see the colour. So I've got two very similar colours there, but they're square, they're almond. So some other nails that I absolutely cannot believe Poundland have stocked for £1. Absolutely chuffed to bits with them. I've done a nail review. I'll link that down in the description below. I found these. I absolutely love rose gold nails. Rose gold colour in general. I love it. I've not actually got that sort of colouring in my house anywhere because it's sort of a more recent trend, isn't it? And our house is already decorated at the minute. But I do really find myself gravitating towards rose gold. So when I saw these last time I was in Poundland, I grabbed 2 boxes, or did I get 3? Whatever it was, I took the stock that was available. And since then, 3 times, like I say, I've been in for the jars. I've also been looking for these and they've not had any. They lasted well over a week on my nails. They were really good. They looked lovely, kept the shine. A couple of them went a bit dull, so like I say, painted over the clear gloss. Clear gloss. Sound like paint, don't I? Clear nail varnish over the top just to bring them back to life a bit. And they lasted well over a week, probably 8 or 9 days. Anyway, in the Wixton store, when I found those lovely jars, they had 2 boxes of these. This is all they had, so I had them both. Whipped them away quickly. So if you see any of them and you wear false nails and obviously like this sort of colour, grab them because they're like gold dust. Rose gold dust. Oh dear. Finally, just a little lip gloss. Again, this is Poundland's own brand, Makeup Gallery, and this is, what's it called? Pout Matters. I've had this one before, matte lip colour, Fuchsia Fizz. It's really nice actually. It's just a matte lip gloss. No, they're not glossies, are they? Lip colour. Yeah, I really like this. For £1, it's such good value. If you are a fan of this sort of thing, definitely give it a go. It's got pretty decent staying power. And it's a really nice, I don't want to say vibrant because that might put some of you off, but it's just got a nice colour to it. In fact, let me get it out and show you. Right, so I'll just pop this on so you can have a look. So it is quite vibrant after me saying it's not, but I absolutely love it. Probably a little smidge too bright now. I used to wear really, really bright lipsticks, but sort of toning them down a bit now. So what I probably will do with that is blot it off and put a little bit of gloss or something over it, because I'm not sure if I like the matte feeling. I'm just used to having gloss. So I'll just dull it down and put a bit of gloss on it and show you what that looks like. So yeah, that feels much better for me. Now I've put a little bit of gloss over the top. I've still got a lot of the colour there, but it just feels a bit more comfortable for me. So that's it. A very, very quick Poundland haul there. Like I say, I've been in a few times, not seen a massive amount of new stuff, but I've got those things flying around again. But wanted to share with you what I bought, so I'm not leaving it on the shelf in my room for too long. So, hope you've enjoyed that one. If you have, please, if you've not already, like and subscribe to my channel. You might not realise, if you're not a YouTube account holder, you can't subscribe to the channel, or you can't leave messages or like things. So you need to do that if you don't mind. It's not hard to do. It's very easy. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything, and you don't end up receiving a load of junk emails and that sort of thing. It's just very simple to do, and I'd really appreciate it if you wanted to do that for me, because I need to get as many subscribers and comments and likes as I can to help the channel grow. And if you want to leave me a comment down below on anything that I've bought there, or if you've had a go on any of that, or anything you like, or want to ask me any questions, I always answer everybody. At the moment, my channel's still so small, I can respond to everybody. I've still got the time to do all of that, and I love corresponding with some of you. I really enjoy it. And I think it's really nice. You're just sort of building these little relationships, which is really weird because you can see me, I can't see you. It's the most bizarre feeling, but I enjoy it. So that's the end of that video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.